You ready?
Let's do it.
Hang on. Feel safe?
Huh?
Feel safe?
Yeah. I feel good. Ready to blow something up.
Alright, on the count of 3.
Hang on. I might want to get down just to steady myself. Whenever you're ready. 1.
Oh, hang on.
Alright, you count it.
1, 2, 3.
That was awesome. That was awesome. Look, it landed right beside me.
Yeah, I saw it. I was watching it. Let's go survey the damage.
Let's do it. Awesome. Yeah. Oh my god.
Look at these pieces of, there's a handle right there.
That landed right beside me.
Yeah, I saw it come down.
That went way the heck up there and landed in front of me.
It's not that heavy, but even if it hits you, it's still pretty jagged.
Look at the handle broke in half.
The other half.
Oh, that's the other half over there. This is awesome. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That's like the inside.
Here's your little control panel.
Boom. You say destruction? That's awesome.
Wow.
That's the case, man. Holy crap. That was a box. It's a piece of flat metal now. It was a box before. Wow. Shrapnel.
I don't think this works anymore.
Nope. Look at that. That's awesome. Literally blown up, sir. Ooh, look at that. What is that? I don't know, but it's totally...
It's the motor for the...
Oh my gosh, look at that.
plate.
That's some force right there, man.
I have to admit,
That's better than
Yeah.
I expected, honestly.
I'm going to have to see the replay.
That might get uploaded to YouTube.
I don't know if we should touch... Oh, that's a cool piece right there.
It's awesome.
The amp.
Seriously.
You could make something pretty cool with that.
I can't even believe the explosive force of that.
I'm surprised I didn't get hit by a shrapnel. I mean, look at this. How did that stay there? So many pieces of metal missing.
And there's plastic pieces everywhere.
Oh, look at that.
Some rounds through it. I put through it after it went bye-bye. And through that one.
And there's another piece up there.
Yep.
What do you say? Should we
I say awesome.
play it back?
I say I need to get a few more of those.